guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I've got my weekly grocery haul for you at Walmart. I spent $93, and I also went to the Fresh Market, which is where I get most of my meat. Sometimes I'll go to like Price Chopper or Hannaford. I don't really buy a whole lot of meat at Walmart, but I went to Fresh Market because Tuesdays they have a lot of their meats on sale, $2.99 a pound. So I did get 2 ground beef and 2 chicken thighs, which we use a lot. I already have sausage. I did pick up some ground turkey, and I already have chicken breast and a whole chicken in my deep freeze. So this is what I got for meat. They were about $3 and change each because some are a little over a pound, and everything else is from Walmart. So from Walmart I got my normal Great Value potato wedges. I'm down to like half of a bag, so I went ahead and got a backup. These are awesome. They're $1.58 a bag, and we just absolutely love them. They're really good for a quick lunch side as well. A bunch of you guys had recommended the Great Value brand mini pizzas because normally I buy my son the Red Baron mini little deep dish pizza every once in a while for a dinner option, especially on nights when we get home late from therapy. So a lot of you guys recommended these and said you and your kids really liked them. So I picked up this little 4-pack of just plain cheese, and to be honest, most of the time my son scrapes most of the cheese off. So I did get those to try. I got the Great Value yogurt tubes. I've never seen this flavor pack, this flavor combination. The only ones I've ever gotten are the strawberry banana, but this one was blueberry and strawberry. I think there are 4 of each, and they're like $1 something. I did go to a different Walmart, by the way, not that that really matters, but I did find some new things. So I was in just a different area today doing errands. I had to get my car detailed and stuff, so I went to a different Walmart. I also got some pepper jack cheese sticks for my husband, and these are 2 little items that I've never seen before at my usual Walmart. Maybe I just never really looked, but they were in kind of the yogurt area. They are the Cheesecake Factory brand. It says they're new. This one is Salted Caramel Delight, and there are only 2 in a package, but they are big containers. So this one is creamy salted caramel pudding over rich caramel sauce, and this one is strawberry or creamy cake batter inspired pudding over a sweet strawberry puree. So I thought not only would they be good for dessert for my husband or I, but I could also pack these in my husband's lunch. I'm always looking for new little snack things for him because I pack his lunch every day. So I'm excited for these. They were pricey. I hesitated a little bit because they were like $3.27 for a 2-pack each. So if they're not good, obviously I won't be repurchasing them. I did get one of the Taylor Farms stir fry kits. I have showed you guys these tons of times in my What's for Dinner videos. I just really love this brand a lot, and these are great because they cook in 5 minutes. You just literally stir fry them and the sauce is included. So I thought this would be good when I do a noodle dish with either meat or no meat, because the pad thai sauce I'm sure is really good, and I've always loved all of these little stir fry kits. This one has Brussels sprouts, kale, bok choy, and broccoli, as you can see. I don't know why broccoli is not listed, but they have a few different ones, and I like to pick up different ones every once in a while. I did go ahead and get 2 Great Value breakfast bowls. My husband likes stuff like this in the mornings when he's leaving for work, before he leaves for work. So I got the bacon breakfast bowl and the meat lovers. These are very comparable to the Jimmy Dean ones, but they're about $1.50 cheaper per bowl, and I find them to be pretty similar looking. I got some Great Value finely shredded Italian style cheese. This one is mozzarella, provolone, parmesan, romano, fontina, and asiago all in one, because I'm going to do some mini naan pizzas next week, and I thought this would be a good cheese for it. I got some Great Value sliced pepperoni. I want to use these for the mini pizzas as well as sandwiches for my husband or myself. I got some Butterball ground turkey from Walmart as well for a recipe. This is a new to me flavor. It's the Great Value coconut cream. They did not have it in a large bottle like a traditional. Let me show you. This is a smaller one, guys. This is the normal size I get. This one I had in my fridge already. So as you can see, it is substantially smaller, but I did not see it in the larger bottle. So I did go ahead and grab it. It was like $1.78. So hopefully if it's good, they come out with it in a larger bottle, or it could have just been sold out because again, I was in a different Walmart, so I'm not too familiar if they had it or not. So I got that. I got a few bananas. I'm going to make enchiladas next week, so I got green chilies and my red enchilada sauce. I get a lot of questions whenever I show my enchiladas in a what's for dinner video. I literally use the recipe right on the side of the can. I literally use this exact recipe, guys. It's really easy. Enchiladas are something that are so much easier than I think people think in their mind, and it's just one of our go-to dinners for sure. It's definitely in my top 5 all-time favorite, easiest, and most made dinners for sure. So I got those 2 things for that. I already have sharp cheddar cheese. I also got some banana pepper rings. I like to put these on my sandwiches sometimes. Sometimes I'll put them in a salad, but mainly I like to use these in my Mississippi chicken, which I want to make probably not next week, but the week after, because I'm sort of due for that and I have chicken thighs. I like to always have a couple cans of soup in the house for the times when I don't have time to make homemade soup, and my husband likes to have these sometimes on the weekend with like a grilled cheese. So I got 2 of his favorite. This is the Manhattan clam chowder and the Wicked Thai style chicken rice and veggies. These are the 2 he likes the best. I got some Juicy Juice berry for my son, some more wet cat food. This is an item I've never tried before, but I really like this brand. We get the breaded clams by this brand. You guys have probably seen those every once in a while in my What's for Dinner videos. But I really like shrimp. I really like coconut shrimp. So I thought I would give it a try since I know this brand is really good. So this will be a nice dinner next week with just a couple easy sides. One of the sides I'll probably do with those coconut shrimp is this. It's the Innovation Sizzling Garlic Rice. I discovered this brand a couple years ago. I really like their sticky rice, and my friend Heather recently told me about this. I had never seen it, but at the Walmart I was at today, I did happen to see it. My normal Walmart does not carry it, either that or it's always out of stock. But it's just premium long grain rice with a hint of savory garlic, and it looks really good, and the sticky rice one is delicious. So I'm excited to try this out along with that jumbo shrimp. I got some pitted Greek Kalamata olives because I've just been craving them, and I really like to put these on salads or just put them out for snacking. Matt wanted oatmeal cream pies. I get these every once in a while. He'll ask me for them. I'm not a big fan, but he really likes them every once in a while, so I grabbed them. It was $1.50 for that box. I got about 1.5 pounds of grapes. These grapes are massive, so I'll probably end up cutting these in half. So I grabbed those, and then I also got 6 of the sub rolls. I get these every once in a while as well. I notice they really freeze well because I want to do either Philly cheesesteaks or some kind of hot sandwich next week for dinner one night. They're $2.46 for 6 large rolls, and again, they do freeze really well too, so I always can throw them in the freezer, whatever I'm not using. But yeah, guys, this is the grocery haul for the week. I'm going to share with you now my meal plan for the upcoming week. P.S. guys, I also got this Clear American orange cream flavor. I don't think I have ever tried this flavor. I could be mistaken. I know I've tried like a mandarin one. I don't think I've tried this one, but I'm very excited for it because I love orange and cream. But yeah, just wanted to add that in because I forgot to show you guys. Alright guys, meal plan for the upcoming week. One night I'm going to do the beef enchiladas with the Spanish rice. I'm going to do that coconut shrimp with the garlic sticky rice with either salad or vegetable on the side. I'm going to do the mini naan flatbread pizzas. I get the mini naan at Walmart. And I'm going to do pepperoni and cheese. And I don't know what else. I'll just figure it out when the day comes. And then either a salad or some kind of veggie on the side. And then the next night, I'm going to do that Taylor Farms Pad Thai stir fry kit with I have some like Asian ramen kind of noodles that I'm going to stir fry those up with. And I'll make a simple sauce, pretty basic because this already comes with that Pad Thai, the Taylor Farms kit, but I'll just add a little bit of extra, maybe garlic and ginger in with the noodles. I'm not sure if it's going to be a no meat night. I try to do a no meat night once a week. It doesn't always happen. It kind of evens itself out because some weeks I'll do 2 nights of no meat and some weeks I'll do none, but I'd say the average I try to do is 1 night. I allotted myself a freebie night as always, which is leftovers, breakfast for dinner, and sometimes on Sundays my parents will say come on over for dinner, so that always works out in my favor. I'm going to do some mini beef meatloaves with barbecue sauce one night with roasted potatoes and steamed peas. I'm going to make extra so I can have lunch for myself the next day. And then one night I'm going to do a pork roast. I have a nice pork roast in the freezer I need to use. So I'll roast that up with some roasted peppers and whatever veggies and some rice pilaf. So yeah, really easy meal plan for the next upcoming week. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on Monday with a new video, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye guys.